Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to print custom range in Bluebeam. Now, if you only need to print specific pages from a PDF instead of the entire document, Bluebeam Review lets you define a custom page range directly from the print dialog. And this is especially useful when printing selected drawing sheets, reports, or revisions. Now, launch the Bluebeam Review desktop and open the PDF that you want to print. Then go ahead and click on File, which is at the top left corner of the screen. And once you click on File, you have a couple of options here from New PDF and down to Print. So just go ahead and click on Print, or just simply press Control P on your keyboard and it's going to open the print dialog. Now, once the print dialog is open, you see that here you can actually choose your printer and configure your print setting. Now, under the printer section, which we have here, just choose the printer that you want to work with. And if needed, you can just click on properties. So here now, you have printer, you have properties. You can properties to adjust printer specific settings such as the paper tray, the color mode, or print quality before continuing. And just go ahead and click on OK. Now in the pages section here, you can just go ahead and locate the page range. Then click on the page range drop down and select custom range. So once you select that, the paging field becomes editable. So tap the page. Oh, no. Going back to file, going back to print. Print window opens. So once you click on custom custom range, all right, then you see that the page range field which we have in here becomes editable. So just go ahead and tap the page numbers that you want using Bluebeam's supported page range syntax. So you can actually do 1 to 6, something like that, which prints pages 1 through 6. You can use 2, maybe you can do 2 comma 4 comma 8. All right, or use 1 to 3 comma 7 comma 8 to 10 to 12, just all of that. So Bluebeam actually uses dash to print a continuous range of pages, and it uses commas to separate individual pages or multiple ranges. Now, before printing, review any additional settings you need, such as the paper size here, and then whether it's portrait or landscape, the page scaling, whether to print document and markups or document only or markups only. That's where you have here. So you can choose from that option. From the option there, you can choose a number of copies and collation. Now the preview updates to reflect your selected settings. This is the preview window. If something doesn't look right, just adjust the page range or print settings before continuing. So once everything actually looks okay, then just go ahead and click on print and it prints there for you. So let's see. Then come over here and click on print and it's going to be printed. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.